Hey guys, look at that. This is a view from my hotel room. Look for yourself. Isn't that beautiful? Man, this is an absolutely beautiful view from my perspective, guys. So I just thought that I'd just take a sec to just share this with you. Real beautiful. Jamaica is such a beautiful place, don't it? Yep. Right on the edge of the ocean. I wish you guys could even feel the breeze right now. It's just this cool, refreshing wind off the ocean. It's something else. Believe me, guys. Alright, this is just a short, guys, so remember to like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to know where this place is, you can always drop that down in the comment section. I'll let you guys know. Okay? Feel free to ask me in the comment section. Alright, love you guys. Jae Says, and we're out of here.